Alright guys, so this is my little budget build for anybody. This is my first time building a PC. My next build is gonna be something crazy. Probably gonna go with like a Titan and go with a little bit better stuff. But I really wanted to see if I can actually do this myself and not have to pay someone to build it for me. So what I did was I took this is an old casing. I took the old casing and I basically took everything out of it. I took the let me show you the old motherboard. That's the old motherboard right there. This motherboard. Only reason why I got rid of it because the capacity. This only allowed me to cap out at 3 gigs of RAM, which is shit. I don't know what CPU that is, but yeah, I took all of that out. Um, I went with the M5A78L motherboard from Asus. I hope I'm saying that right. Um, this has a capacity of 32 gigs of RAM, so I went with 16 gigs of RAM. That's like 100 and something bucks on Amazon. So there's your $100. The motherboard is about $58. Again on Amazon. I got all my parts from Amazon. Um, 750 Ti. That's the graphics card. It's about 140 bucks on Amazon. So now you're at about roughly about 250, 260, something like that. I already had a hard drive, so I just popped the hard drive in. The PSU. This PSU was about 60 bucks. I caught it on sale at Radio Shack. I wasn't even looking for it. I just walked in and seen it. 60 bucks at Radio Shack. And oh yeah, and the CPU. This CPU was, I forgot what the CPU costed me. I think it was like 130 bucks or something like that. Yeah, so and that's an 8-core CPU, so pretty solid CPU. Anyway, yeah, that's my little budget build. And my next build is gonna be something crazy. So stay tuned. But yeah, if you want to build up a little gaming PC, you want to get started on a little gaming PC, I recommend this. It's running smoothly for me. 750 Ti graphics card. Get that for like I said, you can get that for under 150 bucks. The Asus M5A78L-M with the 8-core processor, plenty of processor speed. I think it clocks out at like 3.5 gigahertz. 16 gigs of RAM. That's more than enough RAM. Um, most you can find it if you got a little PC that old that's in the house. You can use that drive. I have had people tell me that I should go away from the mechanical drive, so I'm probably gonna do that sooner or later. But for right now, I'm gonna stay with the drive I have in. If I wasn't getting married, I would be getting me a solid state drive. I still might get a solid state drive next paycheck. But yeah. And let's fire her up real quick. I'll show you what she's doing. And the cool, I thought like when I fired it up, it was gonna give me a problem. The only problem I ran into was the damn, what's that driver? The Ethernet driver. I had to go on my other PC and download the Ethernet driver. But besides that, no problems. That was the only problem I ran into was the Ethernet driver. But yeah, like I say, man, next thing I'm gonna do is probably get me a solid state drive for this. Get me like a 500 gigabyte solid state drive, and then save all my files on the other drive. I'm still updating, but yeah, works great. Um, I ran GTA 5 at high settings, no problems. I maxed out Tomb Raider. I uh, I ran Saints Row at high settings. I ran Dying Light at high settings. Beautiful. Well, not high settings. I ran Dying Light at max settings. So, yeah, man. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.